Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Wednesday, the 24th of June 2014. Starting off in the 5 minutes, as usual, you can see in the pre-market session the market's fairly quiet there. And then as we start the afternoon session, this is the opening bar 230, and then the 235 bar, which is where really the action starts from. We then get a PTI buy signal, which comes in at 14.45, and we see the market going up through the scalp as the flash manufacturing and the new home sales come out. One was negative and one was positive, so the market had no idea what to do after that, and we see the market then drift back after giving the profit. Getting to the latter part of the first session, the first part of the session, and we have a potential buy signal here with a triple X, but as there's no other news out, and as I've said before, if you've made money in the first few trades in the first part of the session, then call it a day. And you can see here what the effect is. We've got no momentum to the upside here after the new home sales came out better than forecast. The market's marked down, and then it drifts slower, and then it just stays in a range of 10 points. It gradually starts to move, and then there's nothing in the afternoon session or late evening session as we would have in the UK. So really just the one trade yesterday, and if you took this trade, that was a 17-point loss, giving a net of 3 on the day. So a very quiet day, which is reflected in the daily chart. You can see in this bar here, market moving higher, then coming back, and then making no progress. Just putting in a newer high for the last few days, the last week, and now you can see that we've got some potential weakness as the market's starting to turn down again today, and that's because we've got a big one out today, 1:30 before the market opens. It's the final GDP quarter-on-quarter forecast at minus 0.2. Previous minus 0.7. So if this comes out at minus 1% or anything like that, then expect some volatility in the market. And of course, if it's higher, then expect the market to head back towards those highs. But it's a case of seeing what happens, and of course this will be out before the market opens an hour later. And finally, in the implied volatility, 11.02 for Monday. Tuesday's volatility 10.73. So this has actually gone down, even though the market drifted down after around 3 p.m. yesterday. So 10.73, below the 11% now. Get it down towards the 10%, and the historic volatility down in these lows as well. We'll see a very big correction coming in sort of August, September time. That's when usually we see those sort of reactions. So the market indicating at the moment that it's could move higher, but it's starting to build into a pattern where there could be some volatility to the downside. Right, that's it from me for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's edition of the Market Alert. As ever, thanks for your support and also for watching. See you in the next one.